Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a protein-rich dinner recipe which you can include in your thyroid, PCOS and diabetic weight loss diet. This meal is protein-rich and light on the stomach yet full of fiber and nutrient dense. This meal can also be had by those without any health issues also. It's a simple, healthy, hearty, everyday meal for dinner. With this recipe, I'm just trying to give you an idea on how to make your meals nutrient dense. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. First, I'm soaking half cup chana dal, also known as kadala parippu in Malayalam, and let it soak for about 20 minutes. I'm using one medium-sized thurai, also known as ridge gourd, and I'll be peeling and chopping it up. Ridge gourd helps to reduce inflammation. It helps in weight loss. It's rich in vitamin C, zinc, and antioxidants. It's an ideal vegetable for those with diabetes. Now, after about 20 minutes, the dal is nicely soaked. Now, the reason why you need to soak grains, especially dals, it is not to make it cook easier. It is also because that grains does have a phytic acid content. You may have noticed that some people get digestive issues when they consume dal, like bloating, gas, or stomach upset. So, if you have noticed any digestive issues when you consume dal, try to soak it for a bit longer time so that the phytates are released, and that prevents you from getting any digestive issues when consuming dal. So after about 20 minutes, the dal is nicely soaked. Wash and rinse it a couple of times, and I'm adding it into a small container. Actually, it's a small round tiffin box. Add in 1 cup of water, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and a big fat pinch of black pepper powder to help the turmeric absorb faster into your body. Always remember to add in a pinch of black pepper powder when you are using turmeric, so that the active ingredient in turmeric, known as curcumin, gets absorbed faster into your body. Now the idea is to cook the dal and the thurai in the same pressure cooker, as it makes everything much easier. Now into my pressure cooker, I'm adding in 1/4 cup water and place the tiffin box or container in it. Cover it with a lid and pressure cook for 5 whistles, and then turn off the flame. While the dal is getting cooked, I'm getting ready the other ingredients. So I have sliced 1 onion, 3 green chilies which I have slit, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, and 1/4 inch of ginger chopped. I have also sliced 1 medium-sized tomato. Once the pressure has depressurized by itself, open the cooker and carefully remove the dal and mash the dal lightly and keep it aside. Heat the same pressure cooker and add in 1 tablespoon wood-pressed or virgin coconut oil. Now instead of coconut oil, you can use any locally sourced unrefined oil from the place you live in. Add in 1 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, and once the jeera splutters, add in the sliced onion, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Lightly saute it till the onions are light golden brown. Reduce the flame to the lowest and add in 3/4 teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon roasted jeera powder, also known as cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, a fat pinch of black pepper powder, and give it all a mix for about a minute so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. Now remember, I have kept the flame on the lowest. Add in the tomato and add in 1 tablespoon water to help the tomatoes cook and mix well for about a minute, and once the tomatoes are mixed well and is lightly mashed, add in 3 sprigs of fresh curry leaves for that extra iron and folate. Add in the lightly mashed dal. Add in 1/4 cup water to the small container and wash out the residue dal. Give it a mix and add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Add in the chopped thurai and mix well and cover and pressure cook for 5 whistles on high flame. After 5 whistles, turn off the flame. I am cooking some Kerala matta rice, also known as red rice. I prefer to use a clay pot to cook my rice, and this rice is single polished and is locally sourced. The brown specks you see on the rice is actually the bran, which means more fiber. Try to use single polished locally sourced rice if possible. And here in Kerala, we strain the rice. Okay, now the pressure has depressurized by itself, and let's check on the dal curry. And as you can see, the curry is perfect and ready to serve. This curry is sufficient to serve too. I'm serving some curry into a bowl and I'm adding in about half cup of cooked rice. Now when you're on a weight loss journey, it's always important to have rice and roti mindfully, and you should always keep in mind that you should stop eating when you're 80% full, and make sure that you chew your food properly and take a little extra time to have your meals. Try not to use any gadgets when you're having your meals. Let the meal and you be in sync totally. Now for some healthy gut friendly probiotics, I'm adding in some amla pickle. Pickles when made in the traditional way is a good source of probiotics. That is, pickles made without synthetic vinegar. I have already shared a couple of pickle recipes on my channel. You can check them out. I've also shared a lemon pickle recipe on my Insta highlights. You can check it out and understand how to make pickles in the traditional way. And lastly, the most important part, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon desi ghee. Now why desi ghee? Because it helps to assimilate all the vitamins and minerals, especially the fat soluble vitamins like vitamin A, K, E and D. Those with vitamin D deficiency, please try to include desi ghee in your diet. And desi ghee also helps to bring down the glycemic index of rice and wheat, which will help to keep you feel fuller for a longer time. Desi ghee helps to nourish your thyroid, reduces sugar cravings, helps in fat burning, and even helps to regulate blood sugar levels. I have already shared a couple of videos on desi ghee along with its health benefits. Please do check them out on my channel. And guys, like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, the idea of this video is to teach you how to cook nutrient dense meals and how to eat your meals mindfully. Even the most simplest and easiest meal can be made nutrient dense, and only if you have a meal rich in nutrients, you will be able to avoid or manage your health issues. So eat healthy and mindfully. If you like to see quick, easy and nutrient dense meals like this, please do comment below and let me know. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.